NSTSE Class 4, Paper Code UN 487, Question number 45. Study the given classification chart carefully and identify P, Q, and R. Here, the aquatic plants are given. P consists of float freely on water. Here, duckweed is the only plant which flows freely on water, and the remaining hydrilla, Vallisneria, muskgrass are fully submerged in water. So option B will come. Let's see Q. Roots fixed to the mud at the bottom of the ponds, but plants stay afloat. It satisfied lotus because duckweed and wolfia do not have stem or root, and it will float freely on water. So here the root fixed to the bottom means that will be satisfied by lotus. So lotus, B and C. Or plants remain completely underwater. Here hydrilla, tape grass both remain completely submerged in water. So all the statements satisfied in option B. So option B is the answer. 46. Manasa did a study on two animals P and Q. At the end of her study, she prepared following table about her observations. What is the name of these two animals? Observations. Let's look into P first. Eggs are laid on land. Yes. There are 3 stages in life cycle. Yes. It has 6 legs. Yes. This will be satisfied by cockroach, because butterfly has 4 stages, but here it is given there are 3 stages in life cycle. So butterfly will not come. So cockroach only will come. Let's look into Q. Eggs are laid on land. No, that means eggs are laid on water. There are 3 stages in life cycle. Yes. It has 6 legs. No. This will be satisfied by frog only, because eggs are laid on land. No means frog lays eggs on water. There are 3 stages in life cycle. Yes, frog has 3 stages. It has 6 legs. No. Yes, the frog has 4 legs. So frog will satisfy. Mosquito will not satisfy the condition of Q, because there are 3 stages in life cycle. Yes, it is given. Mosquito has 4 stages. Cockroach has 3 stages only. But it has 6 legs. No given. Cockroach has 6 legs. So cockroach will not come. Mosquito will not come. So option C satisfy both conditions P and Q. So option C is the answer. Question number 47. Which of the following are planets? Sun, Venus, Moon, Neptune, Uranus. Answer is Venus, Neptune and Uranus. Sun and Moon are not planets. 48. An ice cube is placed in a glass of hot water. What will happen to the ice cube? Yeah, when it is placed in a hot water, it will gain heat. So it will change its state from solid to liquid. So its state will change. Its volume will increase. Yes. Its size will remain the same. No. Its temperature will decrease. No. Its temperature will increase. So the answer is state will change. Option A. The pie chart given below represent composition of air. Select the correct statement regarding it. A. X could be a gas that take part in photosynthesis. See, X has more composition of air. That is satisfied by nitrogen, because nitrogen has 78% of composition in atmosphere. So X could be gas that take part in photosynthesis. No, the nitrogen does not take part in photosynthesis. This kind of statement is wrong. And B. Y could be a gas that is produced using photosynthesis. Which is Y? So 21%. 21% of composition is present here. That means it is oxygen. Oxygen is a gas that is produced during photosynthesis. This statement is correct. Z 0.03% is carbon dioxide. X could be gas that is needed for burning. No, here Z is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is not needed for burning, only oxygen is needed for burning. So this statement is incorrect. And D, Y could be a gas released by crackers on burning. Carbon dioxide is released by crackers on burning. But carbon dioxide is Z. Here it has been given Y is gas released by crackers on burning. So this statement is also wrong. So which is the correct statement? Option B. Y could be a gas that is produced during photosynthesis. Y is oxygen. Oxygen is produced during photosynthesis. That is correct. 50. Which of these insects suck human blood? Mosquito. We all know mosquito sucks human blood. That's why we are getting malaria, dengue and all. Question number 51. Which of the following reasons explain how the water hyacinth is able to float on water? Because it does not have fixed root, so it keeps on float. It has sacs that trap air to keep it float. That is the correct answer. It has large flowers which enable to float on water. No. It has long leaves that can float on water. No. It has tiny roots that are waterproof. No. It has tracks that traps air to keep it afloat. That is the correct reason why the water hyacinth floats on water. 52. Which kind of simple machine is a doorknob? Doorknob is a wheel and axle. Because it is circular in shape, so it is a wheel and axle. Lever, no. Pulley, no. Screw, no. So wheel and axle is the correct answer. Which of the following food substances suggested to a person during doing lots of physical work? A person who does lot of physical work needs carbohydrates. So cereals and potatoes contains carbohydrates. So that is the correct answer. Green leafy vegetables is a roughage. So green leafy vegetables is a protective food. It gives immunity and protects from diseases. So it will not come. Spinach, liver apple, so roughage. It will not come. Milk, cauliflower, grapes. Milk is a protein. So cauliflower all protective and protective food only. So carbohydrates, physical work for carbohydrates, cereals and potatoes, the correct answer. 54. Why our slippers should be well glued while walking with shoes? To increase friction? Yes, friction should be increased to avoid us slipping on the floor. To reduce gravity? No. To reduce friction? No. If we reduce friction, we'll fall down. To increase elasticity? No. So to increase friction, slippers should be well grooved. 55. The box given below shows a list of mixture separation techniques. How many of these are used to separate solid to solid mixture? And solid to solid mixture can be separated by three processes, that is winnowing, threshing and sieving. And decantation, sedimentation, filtration are used to separate insoluble liquids, insoluble particles from liquids. So it will not come. So winnowing, threshing and sieving are used to separate solid to solid mixture. Up to this, science section got over, and after that, critical thinking. Question number 56. Ankita puts on this t-shirt and stands in front of a mirror. How will the number in t-shirt appear in the mirror? 2021 will appear like this, which is in option D. 57. If you remove this shape from this shape, which will you have left? So when we combine this both together and we remove this, we'll get this shape, that is which is in option D. 58. The bear wants to eat honey. On its way, it is not allowed to jump through a square with water. Each arrow shows one jump onto a neighboring field. Which path is the bear allowed to take? So these are the paths given, and bear will flow into such path because it should not jump into water. So this arrow straight right, straight, right. So this root has in option C. So this is the route which is the correct way that the bear should jump. 59. There are 5 boys. P is more fat than Q and R is more fat than P. S is more fat than T but thinner than Q. Who is the fattest in the group? So let us work out. P is more fat than Q and R is more fat than P and S is more fat than T but thinner than Q. That means Q is fatter than S. So it will come like this. And so the finally will get us R is greater than P, greater than Q, Q is greater than S, S is greater than T. So who is the fattest? R. So option B, R. Question number 60, that's the last question. The little caterpillar given here rolls up to go to sleep. What could it look like then? So I have drawn here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will come like this as in option A. The question number 1 to 25 and 26 to 44 has been given in description.